Looking for a sleek and affordable way to turn your old M.2 NGFF SATA SSD into a blazing fast portable drive? You're in luck. This transparent USB 3.1 M.2 SSD case is now only $5.99. That's 61% off. This compact and stylish SSD enclosure supports M.2 NGFF SATA SSDs in sizes 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts, professionals, or anyone who needs fast, reliable, portable storage. USB 3.1 Type-C interface. Speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. Compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. Supports B key and B and M key. NGFF SSDs. Transparent case design. See your tech in action. Tool-free installation for quick setup. Plug-and-play convenience. No drivers needed. Whether you're backing up files, upgrading your laptop, or just want lightning-fast external storage, this SSD case has you covered, all while looking awesome in your tech setup. And here's the best part. It's now just $5.99, down from $15.47. That's a 61% discount for a high-speed USB-C SSD enclosure you'll actually use. Click the link in the description below to grab yours now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, unboxings, and awesome gadget deals every week. See you in the next one.